Hello, my name is Jonathan Greer, and in this instructional module, I will be providing a brief summary of concepts and skills that I've learned over the past month in IDT520 at Full Sail University. I will also discuss my observations on how these skills will aid me on my journey to becoming an instructional designer. Full Sail's Launchbox contains the hardware and software necessary for audio and video production as a modern instructional designer. The core components in the Launchbox are the MacBook Air, lavalier and condenser microphones, lighting, tripod and phone mount, and all the associated cables, adapters, and accessories you might need. Also included are software tools like ScreenFlow and a subscription to the Adobe Creative Suite, which comes with a host of audio, video, and graphic design tools like Express, Premiere Pro, Audition, and Captivate. To ensure that we understood the theory and application of each tool or skill we received, we created a media product each week that was then graded and peer-reviewed. The feedback we received was helpful in refining our skills and increasing our vision of how these tools could be used in producing instructional materials. In week 2, we covered the process of writing a training needs assessment, the first stage in developing instructional materials for learners. The purpose of this document is to analyze gaps in the target learner's skill and knowledge, and then outline an instructional plan to close those gaps. This is done by developing learning objectives and then identifying specific training steps, known as a hierarchical task analysis, that will improve and enhance the learner's knowledge and abilities. The instructional designer will rely on learning theories such as self-determination theory or project-based learning, and instructional design models like ADDIE and Assure, making sure that they are appropriate to the situation, and then will integrate Merrill's first principles of instruction into each individual task. During week 3, we dove into the world of artificial intelligence and how AI can assist instructional designers in each stage of course development. AI tools such as ChatGPT can help with organizing thoughts and ideas into functional first drafts of design documents. And programs like Napkin AI can take those organized ideas and build intuitive graphics that can assist instructional designers in explaining complex ideas and processes to clients. Adobe Firefly produces some amazing high-resolution graphics from text input. Beautiful AI builds complete media-rich slide presentations, and 11 Labs provides realistic voiceovers for any design project. In order to bring all these elements together into a single instructional product demonstration, we used Adobe Premiere Pro and Audition to record and produce high-quality videos and audio content. The tools, skills, and knowledge that we were introduced to during this course are absolutely critical to becoming successful in the world of instructional design. It's also important to remember that the ultimate goal is not to wow the clients with the flashiest, media-driven content, but to facilitate the most effective, most engaging, and most efficient learning experiences possible. Understanding how people learn, implementing effective and proven learning models and theories, and taking the time to properly develop a training needs assessment are, in my opinion, the most important aspects of instructional design. Technology and production skills are still very necessary, but media should be used purposefully and tastefully to enhance the learning experience, not just because it looks cool. It's also important to have well-developed time management skills and to be able to interact tactfully and professionally with subject matter experts and clients, who sometimes just won't understand what it is that we do as instructional designers. In summary, the equipment, knowledge, and skills that we gained in IDT 520 are foundational to our success in this master's degree program and as instructional designers in the field. Each of the core competencies learned in weeks 1 through 3 are like 3 legs of a stool. If one skill is weak or even missing, then the entire product is compromised. I look forward to developing these skills and creating meaningful, effective, and efficient educational experiences for learners. Thank you for your time and your attention.